Welcome to our channel. If you're looking to log into your Merch by Amazon account, you've come to the right place. In this easy guide, we'll walk you through the steps to access your account quickly and efficiently. Let's get started. Step 1. Open your web browser. Start by launching your preferred web browser on your device. This could be Google Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you usually use. Step 2. Navigate to the Merch by Amazon website. In the address bar, type in the following URL: www.merchamazon.com. Press Enter to go to the Merch by Amazon homepage. Step 3. Click on Sign In. Once the web page loads, look for the Sign In button. This is typically located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to proceed to the login page. Step 4. Enter your email address. On the login page, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Make sure you use the email associated with your Merch by Amazon account. After typing in your email, click on the Continue button. Step 5. Input your password. Next, you will need to enter your password. Double-check for any typos, as passwords are case-sensitive. Once you've entered your password correctly, click the Sign In button. Step 6. Two-step verification, if enabled. If you have two-step verification set up for added security, you will receive a verification code via your preferred method, like an email or SMS. Enter the code in the space provided on the screen and click Verify. Step 7. Access your account. After successfully entering your credentials, you will be directed to your Merch by Amazon dashboard. Congratulations! You are now logged into your account and can start managing your merch business. Remember, if you experience any issues logging in, make sure to check if your email and password are correct. You can also click on Forgot Password to reset it if necessary. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. Happy selling on Merch by Amazon.